Good morning, students. Welcome back to Sri GM Nunda e-learning class. I am your English teacher Priyanka Srivastav, and today we are going to study poem number 2, Flying Kite by poet Frank Dempster Sherman. Students, as soon as I took the name of the kite in front of you, a picture of the kite must have come immediately in your mind. Why it happens, do you know? Because during Uttarayan festival, you all children fly kites very nicely. So, as soon as I have said kites, all children started imagining about kites, shapes, size and colors. Here, the poet of the poem is Frank Dempster Sherman, described himself as a child, and he thought if he becomes the kite, what things he can do. So let's see what imagination does the poet has seen as a child. Students, first of all, I will read the poem and then I will explain you in detail. Repeat the lines of the poem after me one by one. So let's start.
I often said and wished that I could be a kite up in the sky and ride upon the breeze and go whichever way I chanced to blow. Then I could look beyond the town and see the river winding down and follow all the ships that sail like me before the merry gale, until at last with them I came to some place with a foreign name. Students, here the meaning of chanced is to happen or do something by chance. Winding means having many bends and curves. Merry means happy and cheerful. Gale means a very strong wind.
So here in the first 4 lines of the poem describes that the poet wants to become a kite and fly up high in the sky. He wants to fly as a kite and flow in the sky whichever way the wind chooses to blow. The next 4 lines of the poem describes that the poet wants to see everything in the world up from the sky. He also wants to see how the river flows with the wind, and he also wants to go far as the ship goes away with the wind. The last 2 lines of the poem describes that he wants to fly as a kite and go to some new places where no one can recognize him. So students, this is how the poet describes himself as a child, and he wishes to fly like a kite up in the sky. Students, these are the new words of the poem. Repeat the words after me. Number 1, often. Number 2, breeze. Number 3, chanced. Number 4, blow. Number 5, beyond. Number 6, winding. Number 7, sail. Number 8, merry. Number 9, gale. Number 10, foreign. Students, I hope you have understood the story and enjoyed a lot. Thank you. Have a nice day.